that's not it.
You ready?
Yup.
No.
1, 2, 3,
There once was a volcano called Vesuvius.
Vesuvius.
It erupted in May.
In May.
It killed all the villagers.
Villagers.
That lived in Pompeii.
Pompeii.
Smoke went into the sky.
In the sky.
It went very, very high.
Very high.
It made the land so dark.
So dark.
Carrying the kids in the park.
In the park.
Stormy stones fell onto the head.
Onto the head.
Causing many of them to be dead.
To be dead.
Stormy stones are very light and they float.
And they float.
And Pliny sent out all his rescue boats.
Rescue boats.
But they couldn't see through the eye.
Through the ice.
So they turned round to stab the eye.
Stab the eye.
that's all we did.
But Starry Eye was very, very hot.
Very hot.
And they all died of thermal shock. There was a pyroclastic surge.
Pyroclastic surge. You're wrong.